Sharing, okay, please sit down. Sharing what? Feelings? Emotions. Then? Food. Yes. So with S, one of your friends told share. Now with E, another friend told emotions. Now with N, think of a word which is related to friends with N. Nicknames? Good, good. Can you give me an example of nicknames? What nicknames do you call to each other, like your friends? Sorry? Lokya. Okay. Sorry? God. Okay. That's his name. His name itself is God. Oh, okay. Okay. Good. Then girls, any nicknames for anyone? Angry Bird. Okay. Who is Angry Bird? Who is Angry Bird of the class?
Not anybody, she's just giving an example.
Okay, okay. Then anyone else? Annaya. Okay. Because he looks like Big Brother, right? Huh. Anish. Ah, okay, okay. Who? Beautiful, Romeo. Okay. Next, who else? Likit. What is it? Likitar. Likitar. Okay, Likitang. Okay, Likitang. Then what else? Acha, I was called as Kempu Mensinakai, means red chili. It's in Kannada. I was called that. Why? Because I was very, very fiery. I was very angry. Angry all the time. We didn't have Angry Birds at that time. So people used to call me like red chili. Angry means fiery to the core. If anyone used to come and tell me anything, that's it, gone the person. I was like that. So people used to call me like that red chilies, you know, right? Not the dried ones. The ones which will ripe and become red. So they used to call me that. And there were so many other nicknames when I was in my class, in my school days, they used to call me so many nicknames. And even we used to call nicknames to children, I mean our friends. So, okay, fine, nicknames is done. Now next one, children. We'll go with no E, no S. We'll go with M. M. Memories, very good. Wait, memories. Can you share your memories, the best memories that you have with your friends? The best memories that you have with your friends. I mean, you cannot forget them. Why all boys are saying about friends? How about girls? Don't you have memories of your friends? Silence, boys. Children, please. See, if you make noise, then I'll go to the lesson. Boys and girls, if you make noise, if you want to talk among yourselves, okay then, you people carry on. Okay? They're so busy. Why so busy? I've been telling you something. If you want to talk, you can talk with me. Please don't talk among yourselves. Let's make this class look disciplined. We are having fun, but let's have fun in our own way. Let's give chance to girls. Yes?
Like we were having competitions. So one and Priya we went. So in bus we enjoyed a lot. And other one, we was like 5 of them. We were selected for Kadapa.
Boys, please listen to her. Danish, why becoming naughty? Why?
It was state level competition for carom. From our class, we 5 members we selected. So we traveled the night in a car. along with PT sir, and we stayed in a room.
Okay, for the night.
Not night, ma'am, for 2 to 3 days. we stayed.
Okay, okay.
It was
So till the Kriya program didn't get over,
not
is
free,
that for
ma'am.
that
It was
then?
for state level competition. for
Okay.
Canada.
Uh-huh.
So in that we enjoyed it.
You enjoyed a lot.
We
Okay.
cried,
You cried also.
like me and other girl, we fighted and we got cried.
Fought.
We fought and we cried when I saw like Sharma. He also came. While crying, I started laughing by seeing him.
Okay.
A small
Okay.
brother.
Lot of emotions. Sit down. Thank you so much for your sharing. Yes, yourself. What's your name, beta? Lokesh. Yes, tell me, Lokya. Can I call you that? Can I call you that? Yes, yes. You used to make fun with? Venkatesh. Okay, he's missing, right? Yeah. So what kind of fun you had with him? Huh? Oh yeah, I know Kapisa. Kapisa is not to be seen. Why? Okay. 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 So. Ah. Okay. Nice. Nice. Please sit down. Thank you for sharing. Yes. Girls, you can share with me if you have anything. Don't keep anything inside yourself. See, sharing is caring. That's what we believe in, right? Once you people are done with sharing, I'll share my experiences after coming here, Amlapuram. He's your friend, best friend. From 5th class. Oh, wow. Special friends. Yes. You both used to sit in one bench. Now, because of Corona, both got separated. Damn Corona. Right? Yeah.
We used to play small games like interview or something, funny games.
Okay, you used to play those.
He's interviewing me.
And you used, okay. Good. Nice. Danish.
One day, me, Vishnu and Yashas and Sukesh, we sit one placement. We said to Kapisa that call Venkatesh as daddy.
What? Call?
Father.
Acha, you used to call him whom? Venkatesh daddy. That was very funny. Then did he call? And what happened to Venkatesh?
He got angry.
I know. That's quite obvious. Yes, please sit down. Yes, Ramit.
Last year, we and Rohit used to sit in one bench only, ma'am. So one day we are free, ma'am. Next morning we are free, ma'am. Afternoon it is Telugu exam, I think. So what happened is, ma'am, we used to lay on bench and I used to beat drums, ma'am, and he used to sing songs, ma'am.
Who?
Rohit.
Rohit. Oh.
What happened is that we thought to translate a Telugu song into English song.
Oh God.
Allu Arjun movie, Buttabamma song, we translated to classical Telugu.
Can you sing for us, please? Please sing for us. Come on. It's okay.
That's it, ma'am. I miss one boy.
Yeah. You can encourage your friends for singing. Yes. Last year's.
Sunday told to Telugu ma'am, Ramadevi ma'am. That's it, ma'am. We three, ma'am gave punishment to me.
Okay.
Another incident, ma'am, we are preparing quiz competition in Kriya, ma'am. So we were in lab, ma'am. So ma'am told to prepare for the quiz. We saw that in lab, no, ma'am. We saw HCl acid there, nitric acid there, something. HCl one base, ma'am. So we thought to see the neutralization reaction and HCl. So spirit we mixed in one container, ma'am.
Oh God.
The whole lab becomes smelly. All lab used to come and ask who did this. That's it.
Oh God. Yes. Thank you for sharing.
Last year we got into Kriya competition, ma'am. There were 1,000 of members participating, ma'am. We were both in quiz, ma'am. In those both we got selected to last level, and at last at the whole state we got second rank, ma'am.
Oh wow.
We got a cup. That was great.
Okay, that's so nice. Thank you for your sharing. Danish, you have something else to share. Yes.
Before Corona, we used to meet at one friend's home, everyone.
Adda. That's what we call, right? Adda.
And
Ah.
we will choose one place in Amlapuram and we will go.
Okay, you will choose a place in Amlapuram and all of you used to go there. So every week your Adda used to change. Good. Good. That's a nice thing. Please sit down. Yes, girls, anyone else?
There are famous wife and husband.
Wife and husband. Who are they? Guys, they are calling you wife and husband. You know that? That's okay. Wife and husband are also friends. Everyone are friends. Yes. Yes. Who? You both? Third class? Everywhere friends. Okay, fine.
In annual competition, some members tend to practice now.
Hmm.
Some students are there. These benches we have from here now. And here some gap will be there. We used to sit in that. It will be a padlock TV. I used to say astrology, news, they will listen. And the same channel will go.
Okay. Okay. Nice. One second, let us hear from Tejasvi.
When we went to Kriya competition, then we all participated and we were waiting for results. We were in the bus. So we four and some other boys were there. So we were very hungry. We did not eat anything since 12 o'clock. So there was another boy. He was having money. So he rushed out of the bus and he got a big bottle of thumbs up. Nobody knows this. And we came to our bus again and we all drank it.
Okay.
After that there was so much left. We distributed to almost everyone.
Okay.
And we had some mentors stock. So we
Experimented with that.
Okay.
Okay.
Got it was what is it?
Yeah, the fuzz, it came out.
Came out and
Ha.
we all, we did not say yes to anybody.
Okay.
This was a secret.
That was a secret kind of thing. Good, nice. Thank you for your sharing. Yes. You and he. Okay. Damn Corona again. Yes. Yeah.
Changed the school in first class one.
Huh.
We went to Sri Chaitanya ma'am. We went to Sri Chaitanya.
Wherever he goes, you follow.
He did not tell me school.
Cheating, very bad. Why you didn't tell him?
He also did not tell me.
Acha. Good. Tit for tat.
We both met in against Sri Chaitanya.
Okay. Okay.
Again we had changed this 7th class.
Huh.
He also did not tell me. He also did not.
Huh.
And we went in DPS.
Now don't change after DPS, okay? Stick to DPS. Okay? Yes, nice memories, children. You have got very nice memories. See, memories are, you want to share another one? Okay, yeah, I'll do that. See, memories are the ones which make us more happy. See, you people are all happy now because you thought about the previous things and you felt that thing. So, memories are something which we keep in our heart. They are very personal, very personal. But you share with others. When you share your memories with others and others will be happy for you, that makes you more happy, right? So, sharing emotions, nicknames, memories, all these things comes in friends, and even caring also, right? People do care for each other. After I came to Amlapuram, I thought I am left alone because this is the first time I am ever working in Andhra Pradesh as such. But then slowly I started mingling up with people. I started knowing them. They started knowing me. And that's when I felt like, yes, now it's the time for me to make friends. So that's how the entire school became my friends. Now everybody knows me and I know everyone in the school. Whenever we get free time, we'll sit in some other room and we'll start gossiping. Yeah, we'll talk about students, we'll talk about you people, we'll talk about everything else. That's how life is. Why do you have friends? Like Adda, every time he keeps changing the Adda. What do you do at there? You just go there, you'll have lots of fun, you will talk about all those things, you will eat some samosas or something and all, whatever you find, and then you'll come back home, right? If your papa calls you, where are you? You'll tell, I'm just two minutes away from home. But you will be some half an hour away from home, right? And even I did so many things when I was in my school days. I used to jump this compound wall and then go away along with my friends. We had windows like this. We never had windows like that. Ours was in first floor. So I used to sit in the last row, extreme last row, because I was tall. It was according to the heights. I was made to sit at the end. So me, then 3 of my friends, 4 of us, all the 4 of us were into football. So our window, the last window was not having that, the grills were not there, luckily. So whenever the teacher used to turn this side and write something, gone. All the 4 girls are gone.
Ma'am, you would jump, ma'am?
Yeah, we had the shade, jump on the shade. Down the shade is our parking lot. Jump into the parking lot, take the bikes, go. That's how I used to be. I was very naughty, to be frank. I told you this before only. Yeah.
Your teachers did not complain to your parents, ma'am?
Teacher used to complain to my parents. But among my parents, I have got one parent who is very, very supportive to me. That was my father. My father was my protective shield. Whatever happens, daddy used to come and stand in front. Yeah, tell me what's your problem. But my mama was not, she was very against all these things. She says that no, you are supposed to go to school for study. So you have to study. But I never maintained it. I used to run away like that, and then every time whenever our classes used to happen, like language classes, English, Hindi, Sanskrit we had at that time. Then science and math I used to attend. Social studies again I used to abscond. So these are the four subjects where I never used to attend the class only. Why? Because all the time I will be in ground, every time in the ground. I used to play football, hockey, basketball and volleyball. So for all these 4 we used to get the trainings and all. So every time I will be seen in the playground. And at the time when my progress report used to come, I am not so good student. I never used to get 90s and all, but I am good. My teachers never used to complain about my education, because side by I was doing all these extracurricular activities also. So they were happy with me. That was how my childhood was. And other than all these things, I used to enjoy my life to the core. Maybe our training used to start at 4 o'clock till 6 o'clock. We used to stay in school. Then from 6 to 8 again into the tuitions. Then from 8 to 8:30 spending with friends. 8:30 going to home, gulping something, sleeping. Then in the morning again getting up at 5:30, going again to training. 5:30 to 7:30 training. 7:30 coming back to house, getting ready for school. Again going back to school at 9:30. From 9:30 till 4 o'clock in school to say, but not in school. Not in school, yeah. Used to take my cycle. All the 4 of us used to take our cycles, because Tirupati is such a huge town. It was not so developed at that time, but it was developing sort, and our school was located exactly below the hill. Now if you guys go to Tirupati, just find out where is KV1. You can see the building. The building is right on to the foot of the hill. Right onto the foot of the hill. So it's very beautiful place. So back we had a very huge compound. First time I jumped that compound, I was in class 7. I couldn't reach the height. But then my friends, they dragged me. So that's how I jumped the compound, and we all went. We all went by bicycles. We all went into the, we all went to Zoo Park. Then we went to Science Park. We went to Alipiri, and we went on foot to the first Gopuram. You know the Gopurams, right? There are 3 Gopurams on the steps. So we climbed all the steps and we went to the Gopuram, and by the time it was 4 o'clock, we came back and we took our bicycles and went home. I was like that.
So who was your best friend?
My best friend? There are so many best friends. Not just one. Because I don't have one best friend as such. But the best friend is my mama. Even though she hits me, she tells that I'll kill you. She tells that I'm not proud of you. But still she is my best friend. Because she is the one whom I share my everything with. And she is a secured kind of friend that I have. Because friends, security is the main thing, right? Imagine if your friend is not so much in friendship with you, what happens if your friend goes and tells all your secrets to other person? Can't trust such kind of people, right? So I have trusted my mom, because my mom never takes out my secrets, because I am her daughter, right? Yeah. So about friendship, yes. Now you people have shared. You want to play the game again? Let me give the introduction at least. Let me give the introduction. Yes. So now you have shared so many things about friendship. Now tell me, who is your best? Whom do you consider as your best friend among animals? Dogs, everyone? Someone says cats? Cow? Very good. Yes? Birds? Good, yeah. So what all you share with them? They won't talk, right? Dogs, so they won't talk only.
Whenever we get time to scold.
You'll scold the dog. You'll scold the cow. Bichara cow. What did he do? What did she do? Sorry. What did she do? She didn't do anything. Yes. Anyone else wants to share? Thank you for your sharing. Yes? Huh?
This was my auntie's dog, ma'am. Name Jimmy.
Jimmy. Okay.
If anybody beat me, he will suddenly shout, ma'am.
Okay. He barks at the person who used to beat you.
He will go to me.
Okay. Nice. Nice. Very protective friend you have got. Is it still alive? Then I'll have to be careful. Yeah. Yourself.
My best friend is my dog, ma'am.
Okay.
Name is Bruce, ma'am.
Hey, your friend will feel bad, man.
Ma'am,
Sorry?
not his dog, ma'am.
I know, but your friend will feel bad. You are calling your dog as best friend. He is sitting there. He has been following you from since long time. What would he feel? No, he did not mean you, okay? He is meaning in the pet form, okay? Yeah, continue. You should clarify him before saying that. Tell. Yeah, that's what. Yeah, good that you clarified. Yes.
My dog, ma'am. When I first time bringing to home, ma'am. Then it cried, ma'am, a lot.
Okay.
Then daily I should take to her mother, ma'am.
Huh.
Daily.
Huh.
For giving him
Huh, 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 huh,
enjoyment.
huh.
And then every evening I should bring the dog to my grandmother's home, ma'am.
Okay.
When we are sleeping, ma'am, it will shout a lot, ma'am.
Okay.
Then I will take near to me, ma'am. I mean, we both sleep at bed, ma'am. Same bed.
Oh. Okay.
This much it will do.
I know, I know.
One day, my cousins,
Okay.
one day my cousins are beating that dog, ma'am.
Oh, they bet your dog. Okay, then?
Then it came to my back, ma'am. And standing beside me.
He wanted your protection. So, did you protect him? Very good. Very good. Please sit down. Thank you, sir. That's it?
No, ma'am.
Yeah. 1 second.
We give it to my cousin, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Why you had to change place or what?
No, ma'am. They took my dog, ma'am. Means I bring my dog from their mother, ma'am. But they took, ma'am. Then
Okay.
I feel sad, ma'am. After 1 month, I went to Rajahmundry, ma'am.
Okay, we are very sorry to know that you have been taken away from your dog. Yes.
Then I went to my cousin's home, ma'am. Still, it didn't forgot me, ma'am.
Yes, it happens with them.
When we are in car, ma'am, my brother used to drive car, ma'am. Then we open door, it break the chain and come and yes,
Oh,
ma'am. Come and take my mask, ma'am.
oh God.
Take my mask and play
So
with mask.
sweet, so sweet. Okay.
I can't lift that dog, ma'am. Very.
Thank you so much. Please sit down. See, very nice. Can we have a round of applause for him? Yes. Now, children, these animals, maybe they don't have the proper way to express through words, but they express their love through so many things, just like how his dog took his mask away. That's the way they show their love. Why do they take your mask away? Because your entire mask will be having your scent. Our scent will be filled up with the clothes that we wear. Each and every body, according to dog, it can sense that him separate from you. Even though they can't see colors, they can see only black and white. They can see the grey scale. They can't see colors. still they can make out who is Priyusha and who is Tejasvi. That is through their sense. Through their scent they can make out who is which person. Okay. So these dogs, they want their owner to be with them. That's why they have taken his his dog took away his mask from him. Maybe the dog was longing for love from Ashish and he found the way through taking off the mask. Now we have got the same kind of scenario in your Moments book. There is this story called A Happy Prince. This story is also very awesome story. I don't know how many people would feel sad in the end, how many people would feel happy in the end. It's a mixed kind of emotion in the end. I don't know how many of you have read the story, but now that time is over, I just gave you the introduction. After you go back home, I want you all to read the story. It's a very beautiful story. You read the story once, then once you come back to the next class, then we will start off with the lesson. Okay, in this lesson you will find beautiful friendship that happened within few days. Only for 3 days a friendship, this friendship has blossomed between a prince and a swallow. Swallow is a type of bird. Okay, these birds are migratory birds. They migrate from one place to another place, maybe for food or for nesting or for mating or for raising kids, whatever it could be. Okay, so this bird, it had to go from one place to another place, but you can say that misery or luck, either way it got stuck in the place where we find Mr. Happy Prince, and the friendship blossomed between them, and it reached to a tragic ending, but I won't reveal you out much because you will learn when you read the story. What happens in the end is tragic, but in a way it is tragic, and in another way it is really a very pleasant story, and the ending is good. Okay. So let us meet in the next class. Thank you so much for your sharings, children.